everybody. I know Thomas is coming in. So I had to go to shops and buy everything.
Well,
so
that's what happened.
And she forgot her key card.
and then I forgot my key. No, my watch ran out of charge, and that's got my key card on it. So apparently we're just all going to be in my video now. So why?
What do you mean why?
This is my life.
You can't. I gave you, you owe me $100.
Oh, buddy.
No, not buddy, nothing. Go and get
No,
it.
you just have to wait.
She's got to pay a fine first.
Yeah, I got to pay my speeding fine. So. Oh no, Mum's gonna clean the fridge out now. Is what she's gonna do while I'm doing my video. Yeah, I love that. No, I didn't.
Yeah, it's good, hey?
Do that.
So what are you making?
Well, Mum, you know when I make my video if I could ever start it. Okay. Welcome back, everybody, to Tasty Tuesdays with Tamara. Today,
Actually, Saturday.
Saturday. Are you retarded?
No, it's called pre-recording. I'm doing at least 3 videos today.
See, this is my hit list. I've got Kevin to lose me 200, Tamara's 100, and Linda lose me 90.
Far out, everybody move.
$50 each.
Okay, take 57. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Tasty Tuesdays. Which I can hear the whispering.
It's audience, Tamara. You can pretend you're an
Oh
audience.
no.
Live audience.
You're going to have no
live
memory left
Hi,
on your
Roxy.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Tasty Tuesdays with a live audience with Tamara.
Yay!
Boo!
So today I'm going to be making some potato bake, and once I've done it, the live audience is going to be able to try it. So I'm just going to peel this
How do you
potato.
peel potatoes?
I'm gonna have to do it in the sink because I burnt myself this morning making fried eggs, so it's really hard. Anyway,
Alright, so what kind of
Be
potatoes
back.
are they?
fine until I say, okay?
Shush.
Can we ask questions after?
After, okay. Starting again. Nobody like when I say Tasty Tuesdays, okay?
Specify the kind of potatoes.
No, I'm on.
Maybe you should Google it first before we start.
No, shall I put this on my shoulder?
With apron.
Everybody can.
You've never cooked here in your life. You're 28, you've never cooked.
Put one down.
Good one.
The live audience, does anybody want to do the potatoes because it's taking very long? Check out Jake's jumper. It says Niall Horan.
You Jackson, it was his.
No, it's not. It says Niall Horan on the
That
loop.
was mine.
Yeah, he did.
It's my jumper.
Are you very, very depressing?
Now everybody's good. This is the behind the scenes of my cooking show this afternoon. So yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, now think about petrol running down the sink. What you do is
Yeah, no, we would
you put that in and then you wash it in the water.
Because between a certain amount. Live audience, we back soon.
Yeah, we don't like it.
I could also currently hear my family trying to get into their house, but to be honest, that's what they get for being so loud. So I'm not even sorry. Yep. And they're all trying to get into like 3 doors now, so.
Roxy's very ugly.
No, you're so loud, everyone.
Roxy's got yellow food.
You're penguin.
Well, go and take it off her, please. Roxy, no.
What's she got?
He's got my love food.
That one's great.
Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? The zucchini. So I'm just going to do the zucchini now. I think I might just cube this as well. I might... Jake! Well, stop her from barking. Can you cut the pumpkin?
Really? You're 28, you can't cut bloody pumpkin.
No, I can't.
You can!
I can't.
Learn!
It's too hard. So thank you for joining in for another Tasty Tuesday. Peace out, Girl Scout.